This time he's missed. The great grey owl is a master of silence. Specially adapted flight feathers allow him to approach silently. To combat the extreme cold, he must catch 7 voles a day. His ears will be his most effective weapon. They constantly dig tunnels to find new food supplies. Hidden under a face covered by feathers, the owl's ears are positioned at slightly different levels on either side of his head. Sound will hit one ear before the other, allowing him to pinpoint his prey with great accuracy. The large facial ruff, formed from feathers that are particularly stiff and dense, help to amplify sound and funnel it towards the ears. Through half a metre of snow, the sound of scampering feet is inaudible to us, but it's loud enough for him. With the help of a specialist camera equipped with 60 highly sensitive microphones, we can reveal what the owl is hearing. And he's off. This time he's missed. Despite his acute hearing, hunting in snow is a challenge. The only way to defeat this acoustic illusion is for the owl to get directly above the vole, where sound is no longer distorted by the snow. As he flies, he tracks the sound as it changes. Directly above the vole, he can pinpoint his target.